Young adventurers, welcome. We're about to embark on a fantastical voyage into the lives of some incredible birds. Every type of bird, regardless of size, color, or shape, has a unique tale to tell. Let's go on our journey now. 1. Kingfishers. Kingfishers are expert hunters, known for their exceptional fishing skills. They can spot prey beneath the water's surface from a considerable height and then plunge into the water with remarkable accuracy to catch fish. Their feet are small, and with a few exceptions, the tail is short or medium length. 2. Mute swan. Mute swans are one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. They can have a wingspan of up to 10 feet and can weigh between 20 to 30 pounds. They have heavy bodies, short legs, and a long, slender neck, habitually held in a graceful S. 3. Great egret. Great egrets are large, white birds with long, thin black legs and long necks. They're typically more than 3 feet high. Their wingspan, which is the distance from the tip of one wing to the tip of the other when they're stretched out, is usually between 4 and 5 feet. Great egrets are fast flyers. 4. Cormorant. Cormorants are sometimes known by other names, depending on the region or species. For example, the great cormorant is also known as the black cormorant, the large cormorant, or the sea crow. 5. Loons. Loons are exceptional divers and spend much of their time underwater in search of prey. They are known to dive to depths of up to 200 feet, 61 meters, in pursuit of fish and other aquatic creatures. They have solid bones, which make them less buoyant, and they conserve oxygen underwater by slowing their heartbeat. 6. Coot. Coot. Bird can measure up to 13.17 inch in length with a wingspan of 23 to 28 inch. Coots mainly eat plant material, but will also feed on insects, fish, tadpoles, snails, and worms. The nest, built by both the male and female, is a floating platform made of stems of marsh plants. The coot has large feet with lobed toes. 7. River tern. The river tern is a slender bird, about the size of a pigeon, with grey upper parts, black cap on the head, yellow beak, long pointed wings, a deeply forked tail, and short yellow stubby legs. In India, it is found throughout the country, inhabiting rivers and freshwater lakes, occasionally occurring on estuaries. 8. Sandpipers have moderately long bills and legs, long narrow wings and fairly short tails. Their colouring often consists of a complicated dead grass pattern of browns, buffs and blacks on the upper parts, with white or cream colouring below. They are frequently paler in autumn than in spring. 9. Grebers. Grebers have unusual plumage. On average, grebers have 20,000 feathers, the highest among birds. The feathers are very dense and strongly curved. They hide from intruders by sinking down into the water until only their head is visible. Grebers do not dive as deeply as loons, usually about 20 feet or less. 10. Green heron. A heron is typically a tall bird with broad wings and a long neck measuring about 18 inches in length. Unlike most other birds, a heron flies with its head held back against its body. They have a dark, greenish-blue back, a chestnut neck and head, and a distinctive white chin stripe. Today we have met even more incredible birds, each with their own special traits and history. Birds teach us about the wonders of nature and the need of protecting the environment. Continue studying, keeping an eye out, and exploring. Happy bird watching, young explorers, and until our next expedition,